Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Excited to be here just for a short little video. I can't let today go by without sharing a few more of my favorite stencils that are part of the retired stencil sale. So as you're hopping on, if you happen to catch this live, you will see that red live button right there. That means you're watching me live. Say hello in the chat. If you happen to catch this during the replay, let me know you are here. Hashtag replay, say hi, whatever you want. And if you have any questions about anything I'm sharing today, please let me know that as well. I know most of you will watch this on the replay, but we only have a few more days for this retired stencil sale. I was looking back through the list. I placed my own order today. And I wanted to share a few more of my favorites that I have not already shared. Now, in the last few days, I've shared pattern stencils, some of my favorite faith stencils, some of my favorite sunflower themed stencils that are all part of this sale. And today I just went through and I have 4 different categories-ish and then a couple from each category that I'm going to share with you. So, hello, those of you that are hopping on. These are a couple of my favorite, what I call like sayings or quotes. They're not really a seasonal stencil, but they are really great ones that you could use anytime. All right, this one is called Braver, and it is 8.5 by 11. It says, you are braver than you believe, stronger than you seem, smarter than you think, and loved more than you will ever know. Awesome. What a great reminder for anybody, right? This one is 8.5 by 11, which regular price is $14.49. Right now in our 60% off sale, this is $5.80. What a great deal. Okay, so Braver is now $5.80 if you use the retired stencil sale link. This is another one that kind of is similar, but this is called Affirmations. Okay, so I want to show this to you because this comes on a 12 by 18 sheet, and I did cut mine apart. So it says, you are, and then it has a line here, okay? And then it comes with 10 different adjectives. You can just do, you are loved, you are redeemed, you are kind. You can change out any of these words here. So let me read all of them to you. You are kind. You are beautiful. You are smart. You are brave. You are forgiven. You are strong. You are enough. You are redeemed. Amen. You are loved. You are unique. Okay? You can do one word. You can list as many of them as you want. You have 10 choices. So this one is regular price for a 12 by 18 is $23.49. Part of our 60% off sale, $9.40 for this amazing stencil. Affirmations is what this one's called. And I did check. It is currently still available. All the ones I'm showing you right now are still available. We started with over 400 stencils. Some of them are selling out. Some of them will sell out before the 16th. But if they don't, the 16th is when they are done. All right, so these are, I'm calling flowers, okay? They're just, they have flowers in them. All right, I have 4 that I picked out from here. These first 2 are 8.5 by 11s also. This one's called Just Breathe. You can see I've loved this one and used it with some ink. It still works great. It's got a butterfly on there. Just Breathe, 8.5 by 11. Regularly $14.49, now $5.80. Just like the Braver one. Another one that I probably love even a little bit more is Enjoy the Little Things. I love this flower here. Also, $5.80 for this stencil. Amazing, amazing. All right, these are getting a little bit bigger. This one is also a favorite. Always Be Kind. I love the little wreath, the simple little wreath and the bumblebee. This one is 10 by 10, normally $15.49, $6.20 right now until it's gone in the 60% off sale. And then this one, oh, this one's so gorgeous too. Bless Our Nest. This one is 15 by 15, so it's normally $26.49. Like those pattern stencils I was showing you a few days ago, now is $10.60. So those are some of my favorite flowery type ones that I wanted to show you. All right, then I thought, you know, there might be some of you that are wanting to start crafting for fall and Christmas. So I decided to look through and see what are some of my favorite fall ones that are part of this sale. This one I have used a lot of times. It's called Change is Beautiful. So it comes on a 12 by 18 like this, and then you cut it apart. These are great for long skinny signs, also our lumbar pillow covers. So this top one says, fall is proof that change is beautiful. Love that. And this one says, in all things, give thanks. I've used those both a lot of times. So you get both of them on one sheet. Instead of $23.49, $9.40. Isn't that an amazing deal? So if you want to start some fall crafting, this would be a great budget-friendly way to do that. The other one I picked out is called Gather Here. Grateful Hearts Gather Here. It's got this gorgeous wreath with a few pumpkins down here and then goes back up. This one is normally $26.49, $10.60. So those are a couple of my favorite fall ones that are part of the sale. And then I did pull out a couple Christmas ones. These are both 8.5 by 11s. So that means they're only $5.80 right now. This one says, it's called Christmas Movie Shirt. This is my Christmas movie watching shirt. A couple of years ago, I made hoodies for me and a couple of my good friends with this stencil. And it still has a lot of life left in it. So movie shirt, or sorry, Christmas movie shirt, $5.80 right now. And this one as well, Wise Men Still Seek Him. I love this. $5.80 is the discounted price on this one. So I did put the link, if down at the bottom or wherever you see the comment bar, it should have two little, like a U and a C next to each other with a little line in the middle. That means link. You can click on that. I'll also come back and put it in the comments, but there's still lots of great deals to be had on our retired stencil sale. So thank you guys so much. Again, let me know if you have any questions or comments in the comments, and I'll see you guys later.